Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So in our weekly report, we have discussed the headwinds for the gold and said that at least from the economical point of view, the gold should remain under pressure. Yes, of course, gold has its own driving factors, such as geopolitical issues, which is providing some support from time to time and actually works surprisingly, so absolutely unexpected. And this time you can see approximately the same. So while the Americans were sleeping on the President's Day, the Houthis have really exploded the cargo ship has belonged to United Kingdom. So it was on the Benghazi flag, but it is related to United Kingdom and it's drawn in Red Sea. Also, as they report that also they shot down the American Reaper plane. So based on this news, you can see that gold today is opening to the upside. Germany also announced that it would like to join the coalition to fight the Houthis, but actually I'm really skeptical on that. So they intend to send the ship there and 250 soldiers. It will be like the drop in the sea, so hardly it will help somehow the overall process. Anyway, but recent news that gold has got led it to show slightly stronger retracement. So you can see some acceleration on the intraday charts. On the first glance here, if you take a look at the MACD predictor on this chart, in this case, this is retail broker FX CM chart. You can see the trend is turning bullish here, but it's not quite true. So in fact, if you will see and take a look at the futures that just are opening right now, so markets just is waking up, you could see that it is a really long distance until the MACD predictor in the gold futures, and trend has not turned bullish yet. So we in the current situation have to every time control the trend shifting with the futures price to not make the mistake on the trading process. Why it is important? Because if you'll take a look at the performance on the long time frame, you could see why it might be really vital if you are considering taking the short position. In particular speaking, if you remember on the full time frame chart, now we just consider this upward action as a reaction on this strong support, the 50% support COP target, and now we treat it as the pullback. We suggest that overall context remains bearish right now on the gold just because of fundamental background. This actually celebration of the Houthis victory might be over as soon as tomorrow when the Fed minutes will be released, and it is really big chances that there we will see a bit more hawkish tone in new minutes that could chill out the gold market as well and very easily turn this performance backward. So we will see, but for now it seems really nice our prediction. The first problem that we have estimated that trend actually has not turned bullish yet. So in this rally is not becoming the bullish background on the daily chart by far. So actually we have the bearish background. On the full time frame chart, in the weekly report, if you remember, we have agreed to watch for this level. And currently our task stands so that we are watching for strong levels and trying to understand whether they are good enough for taking the short position or not, or we should wait for a bit more upward action or to get more confirmation. In general, with this upward action right to this level, market completes the minimum target of the big Gartler's triple-2 buy pattern that we also discussed. So take a look, we have the initial XA swing and A, B, C, D downside retracement. So this is great Gartler's triple-2 buy. And with this upward action, minimum target of this pattern is done. That's why we have decided to watch for this level first as a potential for taking the short position. But with the recent news that we've got from the Middle East, in the current circumstance, I wouldn't consider taking the short position immediately. because on the hourly chart you could see that our ABCD pattern that we have considered already has completed the OP, has shown retracement and is going higher, which means that we could get further to the XOP. And with this performance, I wouldn't hurry up with considering taking the new shorts right now. So what I will do is that first, I still would like to wait what will happen today's session, whether we will get the real bearish grabber or not on the futures price, what the performance will be for the day. So whether this upper direction will be a short term, just will be over in the first part of the session, or it will be extended. And second moment, I prefer to get really bearish patterns around some strong levels. Currently on the hourly chart, we do not have any of these patterns. So if market will start forming some kind of here's butterfly will be completed, for example, market starts forming some kind of the hand and shoulders, that will be at least something that lets me to take the position, especially if it will be accompanied with the bearish grabber on the daily chart. That will be a great step. But for now, with the upper opening of the gold price, and when the market hasn't stopped at the OP and hasn't started this downward action right at the OP and strong confidence, this indicates the strength, at least the short term, but it's the strength. And right there, I wouldn't consider taking a new short position, prefer to waiting more and see what will happen. If you trade on very small time frames below the hourly chart, maybe you will find some reasons to take the long position with possible upward continuation. So that's also possible. Just keep watching what will happen. Use the opening price of the session of the week as a possible important level. So if market suddenly will drop below it, do not take any attempt for taking the new long position. So market preferably should stay above it if you are considering scalp long position for the intraday trading. So that's just 2 words in the situation on the gold. It will be interesting what will happen today, and even more interesting what will happen tomorrow when the minutes of the recent Fed meeting will be released.